आप
सर।
यहाँ पर प्रमोशन का एक बिल्कुल अलग अंदाज है
जी।
ये तो ये प्रमोशन स्ट्रेटेजी है या फिर मतलब आपका बाइक से प्यार है?
Sir, दोनों चीज़ you can say it's both. It's a great association for a film like this because obviously, if you see history, the reason why PNS Ghazi came to India was to track down and hunt INS Vikrant, and the only enemy or the only threat for an aircraft carrier is a submarine. So Pakistan had sent their only one submarine, which is PNS Ghazi. And अगर आप देखिए तो INS Vikrant, it's been one of our most celebrated aircraft carrier. Helped us many times during war in terms of safeguarding the coast of India, and here you go. It's a piece that every one of us can own, and when a film like this is made, I think this is the best association we can ever do with any brand in any format.
And how does it feel to be a part of such a film which is partly based on history and partly fictionalized?
Well, the first reason why we did this film is because it's a very important story to tell. We've always seen films that have glorified the army, that have spoken so many tales about the police. I think it's important that India has the first naval film and the first naval submarine film. I think this is somewhere a tribute from all of us civilians to the great naval fleet that India has.
Can you share some experience that did you shot in the real submarine or something like that, or it was like a set?
Well, we had an exact two design submarine that we'd built, because obviously the old submarines are not in use anymore, and some of the pieces like the Vikrant are melted and become motorcycles now. So we just had blueprints and designs that were almost exact of the S-21 and of PNS Ghazi, and that's where we shot. So it was a hydraulic set which actually moves. It was engineered very well, half in water and half on land, and that's where the film was shot. So yes, I've been a professional deep sea diver for many years, and obviously I didn't do that for a while. And when I started this film, obviously required a lot of underwater action sequences, so I had to prep up again. And you've seen it in the promo, and you'll see a lot more of that in the film.